In today's video, we're going to be making some crab rangoons. So come on with me, guys. We're going to be starting out with some cream cheese, and then we have some green onion. I do have a small little regular onion that I'm just going to chop up. We love onions here. And these are the wonton wrappers from Walmart. Then here is what the imitation crab looks like. So let's get to cooking, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is being hosted by Jennifer at Home, Jean Home Decor and More, and myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, or my main channel is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So we're starting out here with chopping the onions. I'm using scallion, and let's see, we're using 1 block of the cream cheese, but honestly I did put a lot of the crab. Most of the time when you go to the store and you order crab rangoons, you can barely taste the crab. Well, that's not the problem in this case, but it's pretty easy to make. You just kind of adjust this recipe or the cream cheese filling with the things that you like, with the Asian things that you like, and that's what I'm doing here. So we're going to cut up this green onion and then continue. Now, just so you know, I'm replacing the soy sauce with the amino acids, which has less salt. And I'm also replacing Asian food. Most of the time has a lot of sugar. We are not using sugar. I'm going to be using the pure packets, which is organic stevia, to replace the sugar. Now, if you haven't been over to Jennifer at Home's channel or Jean Home Decor and More, sometimes we do have my mountain home and kitchen joining us. Head on over to their channels, guys. They have amazing content from home decor to so much more. And of course, cooking is one of them. All right, so here we have the imitation crab. Let me go ahead and cut that up so we can continue. Now, as I said, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare this crab rangoon with as like I prepare it. So this is my first time doing it, and I'm replacing some ingredients. So the amino acids will be replacing the soy sauce, and then we have, you can salt and pepper to taste, okay? And I am adding some garlic to this. So I will be adding 2 packets of the pure, which is the organic stevia. And so my recipe is tweaked so that you don't taste any, you'll taste the sweet, but you will not have the sugar or the high sodium. Now I am using the mixer to break everything up and kind of mix everything together, and then we'll be ready to start wrapping. Okay, so in today's video, we also have a theme, and we're making summer boards. This can be so refreshing, guys. You can do desserts, you can do fruit, you can do something light, so it's not anything heavy. I'm just giving you some ideas along with the other ladies on what you can do and serve on a board so that you're spending less time in the kitchen and more time with your guests or your family. Now what I'll be showing you here is basically a personal size board that you could even do for yourself. It doesn't necessarily mean guests. You can go ahead and make one for yourself, and that's what we're doing here. So as you can see, I'm preparing the wontons. We're gonna go ahead and we're going to line the edges with some water just so it makes it easier to squeeze together. Put a spoonful of the filling, and then we're gonna squeeze it together. Now I'm not perfect at making these rangoons. Yes, so I'm just going to shape the first one in a different shape. I'm gonna try to make the rangoons as best as I can, and then the last one. So 2 of them will be shaped the same. I kind of like the first one, which is what I'm making here, and then the other ones until you get used to how you form them. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll leave you to some music. Now, once they're formed, then we want to go ahead and fry them. And you have to be careful with this because they do kind of fry very quickly and you don't want to burn them. So I'm here. I'm going to be cooking these. And like I said, this is a personal board, so I'm just cooking enough for that, for my son. So here we are. Okay, I'll be back. So here we are. It is absolutely delicious. I already tried one, and here we are at the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. Doesn't this look amazing? I love Asian food.